Hey guys, this is Autumn with K&J Bath & Body. Back with another soap making video. So today I'm going to make a watermelon soap. I haven't ever made a watermelon soap, but it's something that pretty much every soap maker has made a version of. So I decided that I'm going to make my version of it. It's going to be simple. It's just going to look as much as I possibly can to get it to look like a slice of watermelon. I have little seeds going through it, and it'll be super cute. All right, so light water's going in, and we are going to start making some soap. All right, stick around. The closest thing I can think of for a design to replicate a watermelon rind is an in the pot swirl. So I'm taking two different colors of green, more of a yellow tone and more of a bluish green tone, a dark green, and I'm adding the fragrance oil right there. Now this watermelon fragrance oil is just perfect. It smells just like watermelon, and it actually behaves pretty well in the soap. So I'm combining the two colors, and I'm going to pour it in the pot for the rind. And then after that, we'll do a white layer, and then we will do the red and pink layer to replicate the meat of the watermelon. So stick around. Okay guys, it's time for the second batch. Now, just like the first batch, kaolin clay, Clodagh oats. I always work with two batches. It just helps me keep better control. Especially working with layers, you always want your first layer, excuse me, to be set up, and so your next layer doesn't break through or you get wonky lines or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing here. Now this is going to be the batch that has the red and the pink for the flesh of the watermelon. So I'm going to do an in a pot swirl again. My red will be trial by fire, and the pink is a pink from TKB Trading. I can't remember the name right now. I'll put it in the description box below. But there's that gorgeous red. And then I will mix the two and pour them into over the white layer into my mold. Okay, it's time to add the seeds. Now what I did was extrude black soap dough through a teardrop extruder disc, and I just used the cheapy one from Amazon. It's the green one that I think everybody has, and I just used a little teardrop disc and extruded some canes to go through my soap. Now I put a layer of the red and then try to scatter the seeds as I went. And that's all I did. top of this soap, I just wanted to put some pink batter, and I was just going to do a texture top and sprinkle some seeds. But as you can see, this looks different. So what happened was I added another layer of red to the top because it wasn't quite filling my mold, and I wanted to have full bars. So I put another layer of red, and then I used pink mica and olive oil drizzle on the top, and went ahead and still did the texture top and added my cute little seeds, which are just little slices off of my little soap canes that I had going through the inside of the soap. Adding some glitter, and there you go. There's the top of my watermelon soap. So stay tuned, the cut is next. Don't go anywhere. Well, what do you think? I think it's adorable. I love the seeds and the swirl. You might notice that the swirl in the red does not look pink, and in just a few minutes it will turn pink. This mica from TKB Trading, it just does that. It needs some air, and then it will turn that pretty pink. All right, so let's watch the rest of the cut. Okay, guys, so I love this soap. It's my first attempt at a watermelon soap, and I think it went really well. I want to do the seeds a little bit differently next time I do this soap, figure out how to scatter them a little bit better. But other than that, I think it's perfect. All right, thank you for watching. If you would like to see more soap videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for stopping by. Hope to see you on the next one. All right, bye.